Introducing the BlueBay Kindergarten, a remarkable architectural masterpiece brought to life by the renowned ECADI design team in Shanghai, China. This innovative project showcases the unique and visionary design philosophy of ECADI, pushing the boundaries of what a modern kindergarten can be. Nestled in the heart of Shanghai, the BlueBay Kindergarten is more than just an educational institution, it's a space designed to inspire and nurture young minds. The architects at ECADI have meticulously crafted a space that encourages exploration, creativity, and a love for learning. Every aspect of the design has been carefully considered to create a stimulating environment. The building's facade showcases a harmonious blend of contemporary and traditional Chinese architectural elements, symbolizing the fusion of the past and the future. The use of vibrant colors and playful shapes throughout the interior creates a lively and welcoming atmosphere, stimulating the imagination of the children who will spend their days here. The BlueBay Kindergarten is not just aesthetically pleasing, it also incorporates sustainable design principles. Natural light floods the classrooms, reducing the need for artificial lighting and creating a connection with the outdoors. The building's green roof not only provides insulation but also serves as an interactive learning space, allowing children to explore and appreciate nature. In addition to the architectural elements, ECADI has incorporated interactive technology into the design. State-of-the-art multimedia installations and interactive learning tools engage students, making their educational experience both enjoyable and enriching. The design team believes that technology, when used wisely, can enhance the learning environment and equip children with the skills they need to thrive in the digital age. ECADI's design philosophy revolves around creating spaces that inspire, engage, and empower. Their holistic approach considers not only the physical design but also the emotional and cognitive needs of the children. The BlueBay Kindergarten embodies this philosophy, providing a nurturing environment where children can develop their full potential. To stay updated on more exciting projects like the BlueBay Kindergarten, follow and subscribe to us on YouTube, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Don't forget to share this video with your friends in the design community. Together, let's celebrate the power of innovative design in shaping the future of education.